Once upon a time, in a cozy little cottage, nestled on the outskirts of a small town, was a dining room that was small in size but rich in stories. It was a room that has seen generations of laughter, shared meals, and family gatherings. The dining room was adorned with a modest furniture, a small wooden table, and mismatched chairs that had been handed down through the family for decades. The walls were painted a warm, inviting shade of yellow, and a delicate hung from the ceiling, casting a soft, warm glow over the room. In this dining room, Mary, a grandmother with a heart full of love and wisdom, hosted weekly Sunday dinners. Her three grandchildren, Sarah, Tom, and Emma, would eagerly anticipate these gatherings. Mary would spend hours in the kitchen preparing her famous meatloaf and apple pie, filling the air with mouth-watering aromas. As the family gathered around the small table, they would exchange the stories and laughter. Mary would tell her grandchildren about her own childhood and adventures she had when she was their age. The small room echoed with the sound of clinking silverware and hearty laughter, creating an atmosphere of warmth and togetherness. Over the years, the dining room witnessed countless celebrations and milestones. It was where Sarah announced her engagement to her high school sweetheart. Tom shared the news of his first job, and Emma declared her decision to travel the world. Every event, no matter how small, was celebrated in the small dining room. As the years passed, the dining room evolved. Mary's children grew up and had families of their own. The room that had once felt perfectly cozy became a bit cramped for the growing family, so they decided to extend the dining room to accommodate more guests. The renovations were beautiful, and the dining room expanded to become larger and more modern. It was spacious and stylish, but something was missing. The charm and intimacy of the old dining room were gone. One day, Sarah, the eldest of Mary's grandchildren, had an idea. She suggested they use the newly expanding dining room for larger gatherings, but keep the old dining room as a cozy nook for small, intimate family dinners. Mary loved the idea, and so the small dining room continued to be the part of the family. It was a place for Mary to share stories, for Sarah, Tom, and Emma to make new memories with their children, and for the whole family to come together in an atmosphere of warmth and love. And so the little dining room that could remain a cherished part of their lives.